to Club Bubble. What's the passcode? What's the passcode? Welcome to Club Bubble. Ready to have some fun. Welcome to the new episode of Club Bubble.
It's just Charlie and Dad today. Charlie's in summer camp. What's your favorite part about summer camp?
My favorite part is the craft.
The crafts? Do you guys go to the splash pad?
Yeah.
You do?
I don't like that part.
You don't like the splash pad? Why? You get wet?
It's cold water.
Oh, okay. Have you made any friends at summer camp?
No. You know,
Is that true?
You know why I said that?
Why?
Because I'm just being friendly.
You're being friendly.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all I'm doing.
But I thought you came home the other day and asked to make a bracelet for your friend. Who was that for?
Sarah?
So you did make a friend.
Well, actually, I changed my mind. So, I changed my mind because Sarah was with her friend. And my real friend now is Lou.
It's Lou? Wow, that sounds really fun. What's your favorite part about the summer this year?
Okay, I'll tell you something that I didn't get yet.
Okay.
Getting a baby American girl out.
Oh, okay. That's on your wish list?
No, for my birthday party, I'm getting my baby.
Baby American girl? Okay, I think that's gonna happen. Mom's gonna take you, right?
I can't wait to see how cute they are.
That sounds really fun.
You know what they also come with?
What?
Little baby cribs.
Really? Whoa, cool. Did Mom say she's gonna take you before the summer ends?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I think.
Okay. We're playing a special new game of Club Bubble today. Here we go. We're gonna do the rules. Are you ready?
No, I'm gonna do the rules.
Okay. Here's Charlie with the rules.
Bubble poppers. The rules of the game. Dad will play sound. You'll get 3 guesses to figure out what the sound is. If you guess 5 sounds correctly, you unlock access to Club Bubble. Are you ready? It's time to pop.
Thanks, Charlie. Here we go, Charlie. Are you ready for the first sound of the summer? Yeah? Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, the first sound of the summer. Here we go.
Fire.
What is it?
Fire.
Fire is correct! Ding, ding, ding!
I saw it in your eyes.
Oh, you saw it in my reflection. You cheated! No, you were supposed to guess it based on the sound. What can you do with fire in the summer? You can make what?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallows! And you can make what with marshmallows? There's chocolate, grams, marshmallows called a what?
Daddy, why did you do that?
That was pretty funny. What's that called, Charlie? When you make the marshmallow with the chocolate and graham cracker?
Smart.
Smart is correct. All right, that was a bonus question. Okay, Charlie, are you ready?
Oh my God, Daddy, why did you keep your glasses on? You're supposed to take them off.
I took them off because I'm not going to let you see the reflection in my glasses this time. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here is the second sound of the summer.
Shower.
Shower? That's your first guess? Shower? Wait, you want me to play again? Listen carefully. What is outside? What happens when you hear that outside?
Rain.
And what else?
Thunder.
Yes, that is correct. Thunder and rain, a thunderstorm. Okay, you got your 2 for 2, Charlie. 2 for 2. Oh, we gotta keep score! How many points do you have?
2.
Okay, are you ready for sound of the summer number 3?
Of course.
Okay, here we go.
Storm.
Close.
Tornado.
No, you see them flash up in the sky. Different colors in the sky.
Fireworks.
Fireworks is correct. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, sound of the summer number 4. Here we go.
Drinking out of a straw.
Wait, they're drinking out of a straw? That's not right. Wait, what'd you say?
Drinking out of a straw.
No, that is your first incorrect answer. Hang on, I'm going to play it again. They're in the movie A Bug's Life.
I give up.
You give up? It's a cricket and cicada. Are you ready for summer sound number 5? Here we go. Okay, it's the summer. Think about it outside in the lawn.
Sprinkler.
Sprinkler is correct. Good job.
Okay, point.
Yep, 4 out of 5 so far. Okay, are you ready for sound of the summer number 6?
Yes.
Here we go, Charlie.
Crowded.
Crowd?
No, crowded.
Crowded? Very close, Charlie, very close. It's a crowd where?
Ball game.
Ball game is correct! Ding, ding, ding!
Okay, so
How many points?
5. We're close to finishing.
Yeah, you're close. Okay, there's one question left. Are you ready? I think you're going to get this one.
Okay, so one more.
One more. Here we go. Sound of the summer number 7.
Let me think. Wait. The ice cream truck.
That is correct! Ding, ding, ding! Ice cream truck!
We're gonna enter Club Bubble.
Charlie, congratulations. You can now enter Club Bubble.
Thanks for listening. Keep it popping. Thanks so much for tuning in to Club Bubble. If you enjoyed the show, please leave us a 5-star rating. It helps us reach more kids like you. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Club Bubble Fun for updates and more. Have questions, ideas, or just want to say hi? Shoot us an email at clubbubblefun@gmail.com. We love hearing from you. And remember, keep it poppin'.